In 2022, OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research and development company, created a tool called ChatGPT. This tool has the potential to change even more about each industry as we know it today, even the marketing and advertising industry. However, before we begin our video, we would greatly appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. Let's get started. Number 1. Personalized customer support and engagement. One of the key applications of ChatGPT is in customer support. With its ability to understand and respond to a wide range of queries, businesses can deploy AI-powered chatbots to provide instant and accurate responses to customer inquiries. ChatGPT can handle routine queries, address frequently asked questions, and even escalate complex issues to human agents seamlessly, ensuring prompt and efficient customer service. Number 2. Custom chatbots. Chatbots are modern programs that can help a business take its customer experience to a new level. Chat support is a demanding choice among modern customers, and automation of customer support using AI has skyrocketed the ticketing system to a great extent. You might have at least once interacted with a chatbot, especially when talking to a customer agent through a chat system. Many organizations, especially e-commerce platforms, are using chatbots in their websites or applications to automate their customer support. Number 3. Content generation. ChatGPT is being used in a variety of ways for content creation today. One of the most popular uses is in the area of text completion, where ChatGPT is used to finish a sentence or a paragraph based on a given prompt. This can be useful for tasks such as writing emails, creating social media posts, and even generating script ideas. Another way ChatGPT is being used is in the area of text generation, where it can be used to create entire articles, blog posts, and even short stories. This is because ChatGPT has the ability to understand the structure and patterns of language, which allows it to generate coherent and well-written text. Number 4. Market research and insights. ChatGPT proves to be an invaluable asset for conducting market research. By crafting well-designed prompts, businesses can gather insights about customer preferences, pain points, and expectations. For instance, prompt ChatGPT with queries like, "What are the emerging trends in our industry?" or "What factors influence customer purchasing decisions?" The AI-generated responses can provide valuable inputs for devising effective strategies and enhancing offerings to cater to evolving market demands. Number 5. Competitive analysis. Keeping a close eye on competitors is critical in a competitive marketplace. ChatGPT can assist in competitor analysis by comparing your product or service with competitors. By prompting ChatGPT with questions like, "What are the strengths and weaknesses of our main competitors?" or "What unique value do we offer compared to competitors?" Businesses can identify opportunities to differentiate themselves, capitalize on competitor weaknesses, and enhance their competitive positioning. So that's it for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching, and see you next time.